Hi there. I don't think we've met before. Are you new to the building?
Yes, I am. I just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Ben.
So, where are you from originally, Ben?
I'm from Bristol. And you?
I'm actually from the city. I've lived here for about 5 years now.
That's nice. The area seems very quiet and pleasant.
Yes, it really is. Which floor is your apartment on?
I'm on the third floor, apartment 3B.
Oh, what a coincidence. I live on the second floor, right below you.
That's perfect. So we're neighbors, then.
Yes, we are. What kind of work do you do?
I work as an office assistant.
That sounds interesting. Where is your office located?
It's near the city center. I usually take the bus to get there.
I see. I work as a librarian at a school nearby.
That sounds like a lovely job. What time do you usually start?
I start at 8:30 in the morning. What about you?
I start at 10 o'clock, so I get to sleep in a little.
Lucky you. I'm up at 6 every day.
That's really early. What do you do with all that time in the morning?
I like to go for a short walk and then have a quiet cup of coffee.
That sounds very peaceful. I usually just check my phone in bed.
A lot of people do that, I think.
Do you mostly cook at home or do you eat out?
I cook at home during the week. It saves money.
I'm trying to learn how to cook, but it's not very easy for me.
Don't worry, the more you practice, the better you'll get.
I hope you're right. Do you usually come home late from work?
Sometimes, but most days I'm home by 6:30.
I usually get home around 8 o'clock in the evening.
Hi, Daniel. What are you watching on your phone?
I'm watching an English learning video on YouTube.
Oh, really? Which channel is it?
It's called English for Everyone.
I think I've heard that name before. Is it any good?
Yes, it's really helpful for learning English.
What do you like about English for everyone?
They explain everything in a very simple way.
That sounds perfect for someone like me.
Yes, it's great for A2 level learners.
What kind of videos do they make?
They have videos on speaking, listening, and grammar.
Do they use everyday English?
Yes, they use real conversations from daily life.
I really want to learn practical English.
Me too. It helps me feel more confident when I speak.
Do the teachers speak clearly?
Yes, they speak slowly and their words are easy to understand.
That's good for my listening practice.
It helped me a lot, honestly.
Are the videos very long?
No, most of them are short and simple.
How long do they usually run?
Around 5 to 10 minutes.
That's perfect. I can watch one every day.
Exactly. I watch English for Everyone every evening.
What time of day do you usually watch?
After work in the evening.
I like to watch English videos in the morning.
Morning is a great time to learn, too.
Do they give example sentences to practice?
Yes, they give lots of examples.
That helps me remember new words better.
They also repeat important words a few times.
Repetition really helps with learning.
Yes, my vocabulary has gotten much better.
Do they teach pronunciation as well?
Yes, English for Everyone has clear pronunciation lessons.
I really need help with that.
Then this channel is perfect for you.
Do they upload new videos often?
Yes, every week there's something new.
That's good. I won't run out of things to watch.
True, there's always fresh content.
I really want to get better at speaking English.
This channel will help you a lot.
Could you send me the link to English for Everyone?
Sure, I'll send it to you right now.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
You're welcome. Let's learn English with English for Everyone together.
Hello, I need a new mobile phone.
Hi there. I can help you with that.
I want something easy to use and not too costly.
No problem. About how much do you want to spend?
I'm thinking around $200, maybe a bit less.
Okay, that's a good budget. Do you like Android or iPhone?
I prefer Android, please.
Great. This one here is selling very well right now.
How much is this model?
It's $180.
That fits my budget nicely.
Yes, and the battery life is really solid on this one.
How long does the battery usually last?
With normal use, it can last a full day.
That sounds fine. What colors are available?
You can get it in black, blue, or silver.
I think I like the blue one best.
Good choice. Blue is very popular.
Is the camera any good on this phone?
Yes, it has a 12-megapixel camera. Takes nice pictures.
Is it good enough for everyday photos?
Definitely. It's perfect for daily use.
How much storage space does it have?
It comes with 64 gigabytes of storage.
Can I add more storage with a card?
Yes, it has a slot for a memory card.
That's useful. How big is the screen?
It has a 6-inch screen.
That's a nice size for watching videos.
Yes, many customers like that for streaming.
Is it simple to use for someone who isn't techie?
Very simple. The menu is clear and not complicated.
Does it come with a charger in the box?
Yes, it includes a charger and earphones.
That's convenient. What about the warranty?
Comes with a 1-year warranty.
Okay, that's good. May I hold it and see how it feels?
Of course, here you are. Yes, it's very portable and easy to carry around.
It's light and feels good in my hand.
Excellent choice. Would you like to take it today?
I think this phone is right for me. Yes, I'll take it.
And you wanted the blue color, correct?
Yes, blue please.
Would you also like a cover to protect it?
Yes, maybe just a simple, clear one.
I have a few here you can look at.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy your new phone.
Hi.
Is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thanks.
I'm Emily.
This is my first day.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Jack. This is my first day too.
Really? I was worried I'd be the only new person.
No, you're not alone. I feel a little nervous, honestly.
Me too. Everything is new. The room, the people, everything.
Do you know which class we're in right now?
I think it's English class.
Oh, good. I actually enjoy English.
That's great. What other subjects do you like?
I like history and science. What about you?
I prefer English and art.
Art sounds nice. Are you good at drawing?
A little bit. I just do it for fun.
That's cool. Do you know who our English teacher is?
I heard it's Mrs. Brown.
Is she nice?
People say she's kind and explains things well.
That's good to know.
Do we have math today?
Yes, after lunch.
Oh, math makes me a little nervous.
Same here. But I heard Mr. Green is friendly.
Really? I haven't met him yet.
He's patient and speaks slowly. That should help.
That does help. Do you already know anyone in this class?
No, not yet. You're the first person I've talked to.
That's nice. We can be new together.
Yes, I'd like that.
So, where are you from, Jack?
I'm from Manchester. What about you?
I'm actually from the city.
That must make things easier for you.
A little, but the school is still new to me.
The building is pretty big. I hope I don't get lost.
Don't worry. I can help you find your way around.
Thank you. That's really kind of you.
No problem at all. What do you think of the classroom?
It's bright and feels comfortable.
I like the big windows. It makes the room feel open.
Yes, and there's a lot of natural light.
I think the teacher is walking in now.
Yes, everyone's getting quiet.
I hope today goes okay.
I'm sure it will.
I'm really glad I met you on my first day.
Me too. It makes everything feel less scary.
Let's try to have a good first day.
Yes, let's do that.
Hi, Mike. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Hi, Anna. No, I'm free. What's on your mind?
I was thinking we could go for a picnic.
That sounds really nice. Do you have a place in mind?
Maybe the city park, the one near the lake.
Oh, I love that spot. It's peaceful and there's lots of green.
Yes, and it's not hard to get to either.
True. So which day works better for you?
I think Saturday afternoon would be perfect.
Saturday is good for me, too.
What time should we plan to meet?
How about 11 o'clock in the morning?
That works. We can have our lunch there around noon.
Yes, exactly. What should we bring to eat?
I can make some sandwiches for us, like apples and oranges.
Great. I'll bring some fruit then.
Like apples and oranges?
Yes, and maybe some bananas as well.
That sounds nice and fresh.
Should we also bring something to drink?
Definitely. Water and maybe some juice.
I can bring a bottle of orange juice.
Perfect.
What about small snacks?
Sure, maybe chips or biscuits.
I'll bring some biscuits then.
Good. That should be enough.
Do you have a picnic mat we can use?
Yes, I have one at home. I'll bring it.
That's really helpful.
Have you checked the weather for Saturday?
Yes, it says it will be sunny and warm.
That's perfect for a picnic.
Still, we should bring hats just in case.
Good idea. Better to be safe.
How should we get to the park?
We can walk or take the bus.
Walking sounds better to me.
Me too. It's not that far anyway.
What do you want to do after we eat?
We can just relax, chat, or take some pictures.
I'd really like to take photos by the lake.
Same here. It's a really pretty view.
Should we invite more people to join us?
Maybe just the two of us this time.
Okay, a simple picnic then.
Simple is sometimes the best.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a nice day.
All right, Saturday at 11 it is.
See you then. Don't forget the sandwiches.
Haha, I won't. See you Saturday.